Good morning, students. In the front end design tool VB.NET course, today we will discuss control flow statements. Let's start. So, in the control flow statements, various statements we have seen. We will use if statement, introduction to control flow statement. We will list of the topics to be covered in this is if statement, if then else, if else, if else, you can say the multiple if else, and select case we will discuss. Okay. So, first of all, we will start from the if condition. As in the other programming languages, we have also studied if condition is used for, it is a conditional statement. We are checking some condition. If this is true, then we will take some action. So, it is the simplest form of control statement frequently used in decision making and changing the control flow of the program execution. So, what is the syntax of the if then statement in VB.NET? If then condition, then statements. If the condition is true, then these statements will be executed. And there is one thing, let's see a simple thing like if so suppose okay, and if okay, so if condition, then if the condition evaluates to true, then the block of the code inside the if statement will be executed in a module. Like in a Java, we suppose here is the name of if this else in the else part it will be else if and one else may be there, and if else statement also whatever the case will match. Again, sharing the screen, there's some problem is there. Just a minute, I'm sharing again. Here we have case D, in which we discuss so that in this some slide and some problem has occurred in this lecture. So if anything you have, you can